Pilots routinely encounter objects defying known physics, performing maneuvers impossible for any conventional aircraft. These encounters, once dismissed as fantasy, now prompt serious government investigations and ignite fierce public debate. For decades, reports of unidentified flying objects captivated public imagination, sparking both wonder and ridicule. Historically, these sightings were often attributed to misidentification, hoaxes, or secret military projects, fueling widespread skepticism. However, a recent surge of credible testimonies from trained observers demands a more rigorous scientific examination. These aren't just blurry photos. We are talking about sophisticated radar tracks and detailed visual confirmations. The shift from UFO to UAP reflects a more objective, less sensational approach to these perplexing aerial events. This new designation encourages open discussion, moving beyond the stigma that once silenced professional witnesses. The core controversy centers on what these phenomena truly represent, and why authorities have seemed reluctant to share information. Understanding this evolving narrative requires examining the evidence, the official responses, and the persistent questions. Official reports detail incidents where objects accelerate instantaneously, often without visible means of propulsion. One famous event involved Navy pilots observing a tic-tac-shaped object performing incredible feats over the Pacific Ocean. Radar data corroborated these visual accounts, showing objects dropping thousands of feet in mere seconds. Imagine a solid object moving at hypersonic speeds, then stopping dead in the air, defying inertia completely. But that's not the strangest part of these astonishing aerial encounters. The most baffling aspect involves objects demonstrating transmedium capabilities, effortlessly transitioning between air and water. These craft appear to operate under principles entirely unknown to current human engineering or propulsion systems. Skeptics frequently propose conventional explanations, suggesting instrument malfunction, atmospheric conditions, or even sophisticated drones. However, many experienced aviators insist their training prevents such fundamental misidentifications, standing by their detailed observations. Experts in aerospace engineering highlight the immense energy requirements for such extreme maneuvers, far exceeding known technology. And then something unexpected happened, completely altering the official narrative. Government agencies, once dismissive, now acknowledge the existence of these unidentified aerial phenomena. A notable report from a Defense Department task force detailed numerous unresolved sightings, confirming their reality. This official acknowledgement, however, stopped short of offering any definitive explanations, fueling more public speculation. The controversy deepens, with whistleblowers alleging hidden programs and retrieved non-human technology. One former intelligence official claimed access to classified information concerning crashed craft and biological material. These dramatic assertions, though unverified, spark intense debate about government secrecy and public access to truth. Wait until you hear what comes next regarding the profound implications. Some prominent scientists argue against immediate extraterrestrial conclusions, emphasizing the need for more empirical data. They suggest Earth-based origins remain a plausible, albeit mysterious, alternative until proven otherwise. But this perspective struggles to reconcile with the reported advanced capabilities and consistent patterns of behavior. Shift in the sheer volume of consistent, fundamental scientific high-quality paradigms, and our place in the universe observations from military personnel further complicates purely terrestrial explanations. Consider the implications if these objects are indeed from a non-human intelligence, terrestrial or otherwise.
The profound shift in understanding would challenge fundamental scientific paradigms and our place in the universe.
This leads to a chilling question. Why has official disclosure been so meticulously controlled for so long? Multiple angles of investigation reveal a complex interplay of national security concerns and scientific curiosity. One perspective suggests avoiding panic, slowly preparing humanity for potentially world-altering revelations. Another angle posits a lack of clear answers even within intelligence communities, leading to cautious public statements. However, the persistent narrative of a covert cover-up continues to resonate deeply with a skeptical public. Many believe suppressing information undermines trust in institutions designed to protect and inform citizens. The ongoing struggle between transparency and national security becomes a central theme in this unfolding mystery. Each new revelation, no matter how small, adds another layer to this intricate tapestry of the unknown. The implications of these phenomena extend far beyond military airspace, touching upon philosophy, physics, and humanity's future. What happens when the unexplained becomes undeniable, fundamentally shifting our worldview? This persistent enigma forces us to confront the limits of our current understanding and scientific knowledge. The next step involves rigorous, open scientific inquiry, free from previous governmental constraints. The true nature of these UAPs remains elusive, but the conversation has irrevocably changed. The debate continues to evolve, pushing the boundaries of what we collectively believe is possible. The controversy surrounding UAPs creates significant real-world consequences, affecting public trust and scientific funding. Lack of definitive answers fuels conspiracy theories, eroding confidence in official narratives and expert opinions. Skepticism: can the UAP hinder genuine phenomenon? Has scientific progress, innovation, and diverting interstellar resources from exploration, critical, evidence-based research.
Conversely, the UAP phenomenon has spurred renewed interest in aerospace innovation and interstellar exploration.
It challenges scientists to consider entirely new physics and propulsion concepts previously deemed impossible. The potential existence of unknown intelligence, whether human or otherwise, compels humanity to reconsider its unique position. This grand mystery forces us to confront our biases, encouraging intellectual humility in the face of the unknown. Ultimately, the UAP debate reshapes our understanding of reality, urging a more open-minded approach to unexplained events. The implications for technology, defense, and philosophy are simply staggering, demanding serious, unbiased attention. The journey into unexplained aerial phenomena reveals a world far more complex and mysterious than we often perceive. If you found this exploration of controversy fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Let me know in the comments which unresolved mystery truly captivates your imagination most.